Control charts for attributes. Control charts for attributes. One is P chart. Control chart for fraction of defectives. NP chart, that is control chart for number of defectives. Number of defectives. Third one is C chart. It is that number of defectives per unit. In the class, we will discuss first two control charts, P chart and NP chart. That is fraction of defective and number of defectives. Write down P chart is used. P chart is used when all the samples. P chart is used when all the samples drawn from the produced items. P chart is used when all the samples drawn from the produced items are of the same size, or different size, are of the same size or different size. NP chart is used. NP chart is used only. NP chart is used only when all the samples are of the same size n, are of the same size n. C chart is used. C chart is used only. C chart is used only when each sample. C chart is used only when each sample consists of only one item. Consists of only one item. That is, so what is the difference between when you have to plot that P chart and NP chart? That is, for P chart, for the P chart, sample size may be same for all samples. Sample size, so you know what is the sample size? Sample size is small n. Small n may be that same for all samples or maybe differ, or maybe differ for all samples. No need to be all the samples should have the same sample size. But for NP chart, listen, when we are drawing that P chart, mean chart R chart and S chart, in all the cases, the sample size is same. When n equal to 5 or n equal to 4, sample size, in case 10 samples are there, the 10 samples having the same size, sample size. But for that NP chart, but for the phi chart, sample size may be same for all the samples or maybe differ for all the samples. It is not necessary. But for the NP chart is like X bar chart, R chart, S chart. That sample size should be same. Sample size should be same for all samples. For all samples. But C chart is totally different. C chart, for C chart, sample size not required. Sample size not required. If sample size is not there, in case sample size is given, you can think about that P chart or NP chart. Sample size is not given, directly we can go to the C chart. Control limits. Control limits for NP chart. Control limits for NP chart. Central limit CL is NP bar. That is NP1, NP2, NPN divided by N. NP bar equal to NP1 plus NP2 plus NPN by N. Where P bar equal to P1 plus P2 plus Pn by N. LCL equal to NP bar minus 3 into square root of NP bar into Q bar. NP bar into Q bar, or NP bar minus 3 into square root of NP bar into 1 minus P bar equal to NP bar Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
NP bar plus 3 into square root of NP bar into Q bar, or NP bar plus 3 into square root of NP bar into 1 minus P bar. See, only for that X bar chart, R chart and S chart, the table value will be recorded. The table value will be recorded only for that control charts for variables. For the control charts for attributes, the table value not recorded. Because in general we are doing that 3 sigma value, plus or minus 3 sigma, value. So Generally, we can write that control chart for P chart. Sorry, control limits for P chart. The control limits for P chart CL is P bar, that is P1 plus P2 plus Pn by N. LCL is P bar minus 3 into square root of PQ by N. UCL equal to P bar plus 3 into square root of P bar Q bar by N. Otherwise, where Q bar is 1 minus P bar. In case sample sizes differ for each sample, then LCL and UCL will be differ. LCL is P bar minus 3 into square root of P bar Q bar by N bar. Similarly, UCL equal to P bar plus 3 into square root of P bar square root of P bar Q bar by N bar, where N bar is N1 plus N2 plus Nn by capital N. In case the sample size is equal for all the samples, generally we can write N. In case the sample sizes differ for each sample, we can write N bar. Listen, and one more thing, please keep it in mind. If the sample sizes differ for all the samples, no need to think about that NP chart. Only you have to draw the P chart. In case the sample size is same for all the sample size is same for all samples, you have to draw both P chart and NP chart. You can write as note. In case the sample size is same for all the samples, you have to draw both P chart and NP chart. In case the sample size differ for all the samples, you have to draw only the P chart. No need to go for the NP chart. In case sample size is not there, only number of defective per unit is given. Then there is no other way. We have to go for that C chart. Control limit for C chart. Control limits for C chart. CL is C bar, C1 plus C2 plus Cn by n, where Ci is the number of defectives per unit. LCL, it is important. MCQ, based on this formula, and MCQ will come. The LCL is C bar minus 3 root of C bar. UCL C bar plus 3 root of C bar. I think it is a very simple formula among all the other formula. That is in the control chart. Only thing is you have to remember all the formula. Nothing else. Prabhu,
எஸ் சார்.
நேற்று ஏன் absent?
சார் நேற்று கோயிலுக்கு போயிருந்தேன் சார், நேத்தி கடனுக்காக.
ம், சரி சரி. ஓகே, இப்போ அது கிளாஸ் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறியா?
சார் ஃபாலோ பண்ணேன் சார். நேற்று கிளாஸ் மட்டும் நான் நோட்ஸ் எடுக்கல சார். இந்த வீடியோ லிங்க் சென்ட் பண்ணதை ரெஃபர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன் சார்.
சரி, ஓகேப்பா. புரியாது இல்லை, அதுக்காக தான். சரி சரி, நோட் பண்ணிக்கோ.
சரிங்க சார்.
சரி. The problems in P chart and NP chart. Problems in P chart and NP chart. Ten samples. Each of size 50. 10 samples. Each of size 50. Ten samples, each of size 50, were inspected, and the number of defectives. 10 samples, each of size 50, were inspected, and the number of defectives in the inspection were 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 samples, each of size 50, were inspected, and the number of defectives in the inspection were 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3. Draw the appropriate control chart for the defectives. Draw the appropriate control chart for defectives and comment on the state of control. Write the solution for this. Let small n equal to 50, capital N equal to 10. Small n equal to 50, capital N equal to 10. we may construct two control charts. We may construct two control charts. One is number of defectives. Second one is fraction of defectives. Number of defectives and fraction of defectives. Number of defectives is NP chart. Fraction of defectives is P chart. Number of defectives per unit is NP1 equal to 2, NP2 equal to 1, NP3 equal to 1. Similarly, NP10 equal to 3. So, NP bar formula NP1, NP2, NPn by n. That is, you have to find that 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus etc. up to 3 by 10. What you get? What is NP bar value?
2.5.
2.5. NP bar is 2.5. Therefore, CL control limits for NP chart. Control limits for NP chart. Control limits for NP chart is CL. CL is 2.5. LCL equal to 2.5 minus 3 into square root of NP bar into 1 minus P bar. P bar is NP bar by N. So, NP bar (2.5) by 50.
0.05.
0.05. So, Q bar is 0.95. Therefore, you have to substitute here 2.5 minus 3 into square root of NP bar. NP bar is 2.5 into 0.95. That is equal to what is the value of this? 2.5 minus 3 into square root of, what is the value?
So minus 2.12.
Minus 2.12. Minus 2.12. So here you can write as one note. Note, if LCL is less than 0, take approximately equal to 0. In case LCL is negative, then negative, don't take negative value, take approximately equal to 0. UCL UCl equal to 2.5 plus 3 into square root of 2.5 into 0.95, that is equal to
7.12.
7.12. It is a very simple problem. Well, just you have to remember that this formula, CL formula, that is you have to calculate that NP bar. Then after calculating NP bar, you have to calculate P bar. P bar is NP bar by N. Okay, and then many of them were done the mistake in the point. NP bar by N, instead of put 50, they have taken 10 number of samples. That is totally wrong. Please keep it in mind. So, and then here, in case if it is negative, okay, they have taken the negative value. That, but you have to take the 0 approximately. Now we can write the NP chart in the graph. Divide the graph to equal x1, x and y. The x-axis. What is x-axis here? In general for chart, in the control chart, what is x-axis? What is y-axis?
Number of samples, sir.
Sample number. Sample number is x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Then y-axis is what is y-axis here?
What is it? Defectives.
Number of defectives. You can write that number of defectives NP bar. Number of defectives NP bar. So start from the 0. No need to take negative value, 0. So LCL equal to 0. You have to write here LCL equal to 0. Then highest value is 7.12. So up to 8 we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7.12 dotted line. Please keep it in mind. LCL and UCL is the dotted line, and then CL is 2.5. That is the solid line. CL is solid line. And one more thing in the line, you have to write that what is CL 2.5. Here you have to write what is UCL 7.12. Now you have to draw the diagram for this. 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Join this. Join this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here, fourth one is 2, fifth one is 3, join, sixth one is 5, 5, sixth one 5, seventh one 5, 1, 2, 3. One, second one, ninth one is 2, 10th one is 3. Okay, you have to get the graph like this. And then one more thing, once you find out that one point, don't put the circle here. Don't put the circle. Okay, just you put that one dotted dot here and then join all the dots. And then you have to write the scale here. Scale, x-axis 1 unit, y-axis 1 unit, y-axis 1 unit. This NP chart. Next we have to go for the P chart. To draw the P chart, first you have to find that P1. P1 is NP1 by N. That means 2 by 50. P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10. So everything by 50. 2 by 50, 1 by 50, 1 by 50. Similarly, everything by 50 we have to write. So what is P1 here? P1.
So 0.04.
0.04. P2. Point 0.02. What is P2? 1 by
0.02.
50. 0.02. 0.02. 0.02. 0.04. P5. 3 by 50. 0.0.
6. 0.06.
0.06. Then for 5, 0.1. 0.1, 0.1. 0.02. 0.04. Last one, P10. 0.06. 0.06. Then next you have to find P bar. So what is P bar here? P1 plus P2, P10 by 10. What is the value? Same thing now, 0.05. 0.05. Q bar is 0.95.
So 0.052, sir.
52.
Yes, sir. 0.052.
Then what about that P3? Is it 0.066 or 6?
0.06 only, sir.
0.06. Then already we got that P bar is 0.05 na. When you are calculating that NP bar, what is P bar? Or same problem we are doing. For the same problem, how you can get the two different values.
So 0.05 only, sir.
0.05, 0.95 is Q bar. Okay. So LCCL, CL is P bar, that is 0.05. UCL, UCL is P bar plus 3 into square root of P bar Q bar by N. So what is P bar here? 0.05. 0.05 plus 3 into square root of 0.05 into 0.95 by 50. What is the value?
Point 14, sir.
0.14.
14.
0.14. LCL. LCL equal to LCL, just to minus, put minus here. Instead of plus, put minus here.
So minus 0.4.
Minus 0.4. So approximately equal to 0.
So minus 0.04, sir.
Double 0. So minus 0.04. So approximately equal to 0. So CL is highest value is 0.14. Check once again. UCL. Yeah. 0.142.
Yes, sir. 0.142.
Here, draw that P chart heading. P chart heading. X-axis, sample number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 0 start. Here you can see that 0.142. So we can drop to 0.16. 0.16 means 0.02, 0.04, 0.06, 0.08, 0.1, 0.12, 0.14, 0.16. So 142 here, UCL. UCL is 0.142 and then LCL is 0. LCL is 0 and then CL is 0.05. 0.05 here, CL. 0.05. So what is unit here? X-axis. 1 unit. What about Y-axis? Y-axis unit is what is Y-axis unit here? It's a simple question, na? What is Y-axis unit here?
0.02.
0.02. 0.02 unit. Then what is P1? 0.04. 0.041. Second one is 0.02. 0.02. Second one. Third one also 0.02. Fourth one is P4, 0.04. 0.04. Fifth one is 0.06. Fifth one is 0.06. Sixth one 0.1. Sixth one is 0.1. Sixth one is 0.1. Seventh one also 0.1. Eighth one is 0.02, 0.4, 0.6. 0.02, 0.04, 0.06. Okay. That is, you have to get the graph like this. After drawing this, you have to write the state of control. See, yesterday I written the state of control. State of control. How to write the state of control for this? How to write the state of control for this? How to write the state of control for this problem? Anybody? Aman. Aman, are you there? Anagalashmi?
Present, sir.
Present, okay. How to write that state of control for this?
Sir, I'm not sure.
What you? What sure? Not
Sir,
what.
this
Very simple, na. Otherwise,
between
Shasta.
the points lie between the UCL and
Simple only.
LCL.
Correct only. It is correct.
Upper,
Very simple.
so all
Listen.
the points are
All
between
the
the
points
lines
are lies between
the lower limit and the
and upper
control limit.
Therefore,
So, therefore,
uh,
It is under
Sir,
control.
1 year, sir.
The process is under
The
control.
process is under control.
That's all. The simple one. That is, you can write in your own word. That is not wrong in this.
Okay, sir.
Sample number. Write the problem. Construct a control chart for defective for the following data. Sample number. Number of inspected. Number of inspected. Number of defectives. Number of defectives. One 99 2 65 7 3 85 3 4 72 5 80 9 6 80 5 7 70 3 8 95 9 9 90 6 10 75 7. Construct a control chart for defective for the following data. Anamika. Anamika.
Yes, sir.
What is
Sir,
the
I'm
difference
audible?
between last problem and this problem? I have given one note na.